This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch the Advanced RTH mode on this drone. So to start, enter the DJI flight interface, open settings. Here on top, select the safety section, scroll down and look for the Advanced RTH selection. Now you can switch it between Optimal, which will make it so that aircraft will automatically fly an optimal RTH route in adequate lighting conditions, or ascend to preset altitude, or switch it to the preset, which will rise, or aircraft, while on it, aircraft will rise to a preset altitude before returning when RTH is enabled. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.